Hey everyone, Jason Hill here, and we were recently at Disneyland and we had to make a pit stop into the Bengal BBQ. It's one of my favorite places to get a quick bite to eat, and it's right across from the Indiana Jones ride. There they have all these wonderful meat skewers, and one of the sauces that they make is called a Tahitian Polynesian sauce that you can dress up any of your meats with, and you can get the recipe at the park at City Hall. So I did that, and I'm going to show you how they do it. All right, I have my large saucepan preheating. I'm going to add in 4 dried cloves, followed by a tablespoon of red wine vinegar, and then a half a cup of fresh pineapple juice. When I say fresh, it's not concentrate. I didn't squeeze a pineapple myself. And we're going to bring these to a simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes, just so that flavor from the clove infuses into the liquid there. Okay, it's been simmering for about a good 10 minutes. I'm going to fish out the little cloves. And then next, we are going to whisk in a whole cup of ketchup. Followed by a half a cup of crushed pineapple. Then we have a half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of soy sauce, then a quarter cup of orange concentrate, which is thawed, as you can see, and then 3 tablespoons of water. We're going to bring this to a simmer over medium heat. Actually bring it to a boil. All right, after about 5 minutes or so, it's come to a boil. And you don't want to walk away from this. You want to stay here and stir it. That way you don't burn the bottom. I have my grill preheated on high. I'm going to shut this off and let's go hit the grill. I hope you enjoyed this easy recipe from Disneyland's Bengal BBQ. And as always, thanks for tuning in.